Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Halifax. Now, Halifax is one of the areas that has a lot of development going on. And since we've been through here, since we did the last video, I've noticed two new construction sites. I mean, I've never seen this level of development in Jamaica before. And people often ask, who is buying all of these units? This is a residential unit, so all the buildings you see under construction here are residential. And I honestly, I've heard it's people in the diaspora, people in Jamaica, but the amount of houses that are under development. So on the left, this one we've been monitoring for quite a while. It's close to being finished. Now the one on the right, that's new. That they hadn't started the last time we came through here. A lot of development. A lot of, and this is just one road. We did a video on Salisbury, which is across by Paddington. And there were like 15 construction sites. This is what it's going to look like when it's finished. About 15, no, not sorry, 15 in the whole Paddington area, but about 8 construction sites just on Salisbury Avenue alone. I mean, this is like what you like to see in Jamaica. We have to seriously ask a question. Will Jamaica have enough construction workers to do all these jobs? Because on the north coast you have some mega developments, billion-dollar investments, construction sites going up, billion-dollar developments going up, 1,000-room hotels, 2,000-room hotels. Where are all these construction workers going to come from? In addition to construction going on almost on every street in Jamaica. Now, on this side of the Halifax, on the left you have 2 construction sites, and on the right you have another one. And then when we pass the road, there's another one across from it. So there are 4 construction sites on this road. There is one, I'm not sure if the camera picked it up, but they're putting up zinc at a house right at the corner that we just passed. On the left is 2, and on the right 2 more construction sites. Loving the progress, but I really don't know where all the workers are going to come from to do these projects. I think they said 3 mega projects on the north coast, 20,000 workers. This one is under construction. Actually, looks like it's finished, but last time we came through it was under construction. I'm gonna ask this guy if they're finished. He said yes, people have moved in. Some of them. He said meters are in. This is one that's under construction here on the left. We'll probably have to come through this area at least once a month to see what's going on. Really impressive. And these construction sites are not cheap to build. These developments, it's not cheap. Some serious money. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. We're just going to you can watch the rest of the video. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. And the rest of the video is just us driving through Halifax and looking at the different construction sites. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.